first news coming in from Tamil Nadu. Well, a lot has been happening in Tamil Nadu over migrant workers, particularly what the police has of late gone on record saying all the rumors of violence that you are hearing, one, they are rumors, and two, they are absolutely fake. The videos are fake. That's what the police has claimed. Now, district collectors have gone ahead in some Tamil Nadu districts and have issued written appeals in Hindi after swirling rumors through the day about attack on migrants, especially those from Bihar. The state police chief issued a denial saying videos circulating on social media are false. In fact, what we also know is Bihar officials are going to be in Tamil Nadu today. They are going to be meeting migrant workers who are working in different parts of Tamil Nadu, particularly from Bihar.
These two incidents happened earlier in time in Tirupur and in Coimbatore, and in both cases they are not clashed between the people of Tamil Nadu and the migrant workers. One is the clash between two groups of Bihari migrant workers. Another video is a clash between the local residents of Coimbatore. They are all Tamil Nadu people. When that is a fact, the facts are twisted to make it appear as if the migrant workers of Bihar are attacked in Tamil Nadu. Here, people are living very peacefully. Law and order is maintained very well.
कई बार हमने पहले भी कहा कि इन लोगों का काम केवल अफवाह उड़ाना और नकारात्मक सुन लीजिए ना, आप बोलिएगा ना भाई, बैठिए ना। केवल नकारात्मक राजनीति करना, बोलेंगे भारत माता की जय, लेकिन जरा पूछो तमिलनाडु भारत का ही अंग है क्या? तमिलनाडु भारत का ही अंग है ना। जब भारत माता की जय आप लोग कहते हैं तो आपस के प्रदेश में घृणा क्यों फैलाते हैं? ये कौन सा देशभक्ति है भाई? पहली बात कि अगर कोई ऐसी घटना होगी तो ना यहाँ की सरकार ना वहां की सरकार इसको टॉलरेट करेगी। अगर ऐसी कोई बात अगर हुई भी होगी तो सरकार जो है उन दोषियों को बख्शने का काम बिल्कुल नहीं करेगी महोदय।
And you just heard Tejashwi Yadav, the Deputy Chief Minister of Bihar, who has accused the BJP of spreading these rumours to try and drive a wedge between both states, that's Tamil Nadu and Bihar, for political gains. I'm being joined by my colleague Sam Daniel. Sam, you are moving out to rural locations to speak to these migrant workers. What are you finding on the ground? And of course, a lot of politics around it as well now.
Sneha, we come to you from Sri Perambudur, an industrial cluster outside Chennai, a home for many automotive companies and also manufacturing sector, making automotive space and a whole lot of items. And we spoke to a group of migrant workers from Jharkhand a short while ago. They've seen the video, but for them, it's business as usual. They've got calls from their home asking them, checking about their safety. But they say the video, although it's a rumor, they understand now, that has sent some sense of fear. But otherwise, they say, we are not worried. We don't have a sense of fear. We are cautious. That's what they say. But when we ask them specifically, do they face any kind of threat or any kind of intimidation from local communities? They say no. And I have with me Anuj here, who has been here for more than 10 years. And tell me, have you watched the video? Can you translate it to me? Ask him if he has watched that video.
आप उस वीडियो को देखे हैं क्या जो वायरल हो रहा है? वो वीडियो
नहीं देखे तो नहीं है, देखे नहीं है, लेकिन सुनाई में आ रहा है कि ये सब चीज के बारे में दंगा हो रहा है या तिरपुर में ऐसा साथी हो रहा है, यही सब चीज के बारे में मालूम हो रहा है। सब आदमी बिहारी लोग थमस रहा है कि अब क्या करें।
What does he say?
He is telling that we have heard that it is done in Tripur, that's why you are getting fear of that.
Police say it's rumor, somebody is causing mischief. Do they believe that? Do they get calls from home? Are they worried?
और ये क्या सच है कि आप ऐसे सुने हैं कि ऐसे वो फालतू वीडियो को ऐसे वो पोस्ट कर रहे हैं ऐसे टाइप का कि घर तरफ से सुने हैं ऐसे कुछ?
नहीं, यहीं पे सुन रहे हैं, यहीं पे ऐसी चीज सुन रहे हैं। सच्चाई है तो ना ऐसा हो रहा है।
नहीं, एक दो वीडियो मान लीजिए झूठ हो सकता है, ठीक है, सभी वीडियो तो फेक नहीं हो सकते ना।
He's telling one or two videos may be fake, but so many videos are coming, so many news are coming. That's why it may be true also, he says.
How do they feel being here in Sri Perambudur?
आपको यहाँ कैसे लगता है यहाँ आके आपको?
यहाँ आ करके तो हमको बढ़िया लगता है, ठीक है, पर जो अफवाहें सुन रहे हैं अभी क्या ये सच है या झूठ है ये बारे में तो मैं नहीं बोल सकता हूँ, पर लोगों के दिल में जो है डर अभी पैदा है, ठीक है। लोग ये सोच रहा है कि हम लोग तो दूर से काम करने आए थे, पर यहाँ देख रहे हैं कि लोग यहाँ मार रहा है, पीट रहा है, जो भी सच्चाई है या जो भी हो, पर उसको सुन करके हम लोग के भी दिल में डर है कि हो सकता है हम लोग के साथ भी कुछ दुर्घटना हो जाए, ठीक है। और जो आपका पेपर में आया है उस टाइम में जो भी हो, उसमें लिखा है कि 20 तारीख तक अल्टीमेटम दिया गया है। अगर ये सच है तो हम लोग तो भाई घर यहाँ जाएंगे अपने गाँव।
Since he says lot of hearing it is coming, we also get fear. And since we have come from far away to work here, we should be safe. And since they have warned us in the newspaper or in the video that before 12th of March, if anything happens, they have to go like that.
But do police say it's fake news? Do they trust the police, the government?
पुलिस सब कुछ ऐसे सुने हैं कि पुलिस लोगों से कि ये सही है कि नहीं है, उसके बारे में कुछ?
The government says be safe, nothing to worry.
सरकार कहता है कि नहीं आप सुरक्षा रहो, कुछ ऐसे चिंता मत कीजिए।
सरकार कहाँ इधर में बोल रहा है, सरकार नहीं बोल रहा है इधर में जैसा माहौल है ना, पूरा न्यूज में सुनते हुए पूरा इधर में आदमी पूरा आदमी निकल जाएगा। हिंदी आदमी
लोग जान रहे हैं, लोग अपना ड्यूटी छोड़ करके रूम में बैठा रहा है, नाइट में जिसका ड्यूटी हो नाइट ड्यूटी नहीं जा पा रहा है।
Because of fear, many are going away and they are staying here, and they are getting actually frightened.
Lastly, do they plan to get back home or are they comfortable being here?
आप यहाँ रहने चाहते हैं कि घर चले जाए?
चाहते हैं, बाकी माहौल जैसा है इसके हिसाब से जाना चाहते भी हैं।
फिलहाल तो अभी जिस हिसाब से माहौल चल रहा है हिसाब से तो हम तो नहीं रह पाएंगे। हाँ, जब ये माहौल ठंडा जाएगा महीने 2 महीने बाद आ सकते हैं, ये तो अभी कुछ कहा नहीं।
Since it is very hard now, since there is a lot of hearing and videos are coming, so they want to go back home. It's
a sense of the
Sam,
kind of impact the video
Sam, let
has
me
had,
just ask you one thing. That
Sneha.
man said we can come back after 1 or 2 months. Would you ask him, has he booked his tickets to go to return home, or are they planning to?
Someone said they can always come back after 2 months.
Yeah.
Have they booked the tickets to get back home?
क्या आप ऐसे बुकिंग किए हैं ना, ऐसे ही जाते जाते हो चलती ट्रेन में?
नहीं ऐसा नहीं सर, मैं टिकट लेकर हमेशा आता हूँ।
लेकिन वो प्लान नहीं किए हैं?
नहीं, अभी प्लान तो कोई नहीं किया हूँ, पर अभी हम लोग कंफर्म टिकट करवा के जाएंगे।
They are telling that we have not planned for anything going or coming, so once the situation come, they may come back.
So thank you, and that's the worry the government also is concerned about, Sneha, because a lot of these industries depend on migrant laborers for their daily functioning, and this kind of rumor mongering could actually lead to fear psychosis, leading to mass exodus from Tamil Nadu. And the police, as we played his video, has confirmed that these 2 videos doesn't involve any attack on Biharis in Tirupur or Coimbatore. In the case of the first video, it was a clash among a group of Biharis. The second video, it was among a brawl among local people in Coimbatore. And in Tamil Nadu, there's a dearth of manual labor because of the higher rate of education. Not many people, youngsters, are keen about working in these factories, and that's why for decades Tamil Nadu has always welcomed migrant laborers who be part of the growth and development of Tamil Nadu. Lastly, today as we speak, there'll be a kind of a meeting between a team of officials from Bihar with Tamil Nadu government officials, after which we expect a statement from the Chief Minister as well, Sneha.